In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a sequence using ConvertKit. So a sequence is a series of automated emails, essentially, that can be sent out at predetermined times. So if I come back over to ConvertKit, and I'll just close out of this, and we'll come to sequences here. And this is where you'll find any sequences that you may have made in the past, and you can create a new sequence. So I'll just click on New Sequence, and we're going to call this Demo Sequence, and click Create Sequence. And here you can see we've got, this is the first sort of example here, and we can add multiple emails to this. So this very first one, we might want it to be sent out immediately. So if we want it to be sent out immediately, as soon as anyone signs up, then we put 0 days in there, okay? And then this one here might be, we might want that to go out 2 days after the previous email. So that one would go out immediately, this would go out 2 days later. This one here is the third one. Whoops, save all. This one's the third one. And you might want that to go out 1 day after the next. If you wanted it to go out 1 day after the next, but not on a weekend, then you could select those ones, save, and then this is email 4, and same thing, you can set this however you want, click save, and then I'm going to actually turn these to published. And make sure you click Save All, and that's it. We've created a sequence. And if I came over to my sequences page again here, you'd be able to see that I've got this demo sequence. It's a 4-day sequence with 4 emails in it.